Alright, let's do this. Talent selected quality. So, hello and welcome to our video. So today we're gonna be making a spaghetti, or more specifically, a carbonara. But first, let me introduce myself and my team. My name is, and I am the designated narrator. I'm the one going to be talking the most. And for our next member,
Hello, bro. So my name is Nan. I'm a chef. We cook this carbonara and we make it perfect. And the ingredient is a Parmesan cheese in the quality. Next, the egg to make it cream, and the pepper give a carbonara flavor. And we need bacon. And the most important thing is a pasta. We need a spaghetti as a pasta. Alright, let's do this, bro.
we forgot to introduce our most important member of the group, which is the one behind the camera. Say hello, Tim.
Hi.
He will be our designated cameraman or an editor, and that's why he is the most important one of the group. And yeah, that's it. And now we'll go by the ingredient. I'll see you again at Tesco.
Last night all I think about is you. Don't stop, baby, you come on too. Don't want, baby, think about you. You know that I'm never gonna lose.
First item on our list is the Parmesan cheese. I'm gonna go get that first. Let's try and find it. Most important ingredient is in fact isn't food. In fact, it's money.
This is the Parmesan cheese.
$2.69.
โอ้โหพ่อมึง
So we decided to find different cheese because that one is too expensive. I'm not going to use all of it. Because this one is a cheaper alternative. So now we'll go get some bacon.
We got bacon.
Bacon!
I'll take this on off the list.
Yeah. Take this second item off our list.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Now,
This time we got the spaghetti.
found our objective. So why is this? is Italian selected quality spaghetti.
Selected.
That's the third item. Done. The last one is black pepper. Fantastic.
This is the last ingredient.
Yeah. I walk around the whole aisle just to find.
Yeah.
Alright, so we go check out now. With that, we got all our ingredients. Our objective is done for today. As for the egg, so we already have an egg at Foom's house, so we're not gonna buy that for today. So we got all we needed. And I'll see you tomorrow. Alright, after a treacherous journey from Ampon to Poom's house, we finally reunited with the rest of our team. Say hello, everyone. Hey. They will be our today designated rap rats. They will be the one testing, not cooking. Alright, we'll go into our kitchen. Nat, take it away.
Okay. Right now, start with the spaghetti. We need full hand spaghetti. Like this. If you want more, put it more. Like this. Okay. That's it. And now, we need 2 eggs. First, I need to crack one off. So, and this one is only egg yolk. Some more egg yolk, okay? Okay. Do this.
Stir eggs.
Stir an egg. Ah, it's beautiful egg. Right now, we need a black pepper. More as much you want. This. We use a lot of pepper because I like pepper. This is the favorite come from. And the Parmesan cheese.
How much?
Oh, as you like. I use 3 tablespoons of this.
That black pepper and cheese is interchangeable up to your liking.
Okay. And this. Next, we're gonna slide bacon. 3 bacon. 3 bacon. Right here. Gonna slide it. Like this. Okay. ล้างมือบ่อยมาก
Okay, the bacon is already cooked. And you see the oil. This oil we use to cook a pasta like this. This one. And right now we wait for the pasta. Yeah, look at bacon, it's so
crispy.
That's it, the most important. It's all of it. Yeah, look at the oil. So much oil. You don't need olive oil to do this.
Because we have the oil from the bacon.
But it's creepy. Right now, we throw the pasta in the pan. That's pasta cook already. Oh, in there. Okay. And this is important thing of this recipe. We need to put pasta water in this. Like this. Okay? Put it. So this. Toss it on. Like this. If it's too dry, put it more like this. And this important thing, you need to switch off the light, the heat. And post this one, the egg we prepared before. Look at this. And right now we stir. We're gonna make cream. We're gonna make it into cream. This is important. You don't need a heat to make it cream. You need a heat from the pan, not from the fire. We're gonna make it okay like this. Like this.
Don't burn my hand.
Okay.
How is it, bro?
เส้นแข็งกว่านี้แน่เลย
Nice.
Okay,
Yeah.
time to eat it.
Yeah. And with that, we have finished our carbonara. And that is our video has come to an end. And we will enjoy our meal. See you next time.
อ้าวในของกูอ่ะ ในที่สุดกูก็ได้นอน